Hi guys, let's eat guys. Lunch. Ayan. Let's eat guys. Bon appetit. Let's eat beautiful people. Pasta to guys, pasta. Macaroni cheese. Burger dinner. Let's eat.
Well, I think, of course, they should be in there. I don't understand why CNN is digging in its heels, but it seems to me that those polls that you just read underscore why
Of course, with rice.
wanted this early debate. Now, he'll come out
Rice is like
and the media will declare him the winner because he's got a billion-dollar bar. Just has to prove he can string two sentences together after all the Trumpian attacks. But can he convince enough viewers, it's be a massive audience, that he's up to the job for the
it was
next
my favorite.
years? Challenge for Donald Trump, which I think is overlooked, is to be disciplined. When I interviewed the former president Mar-a-Lago for an hour,
My
he was
favorite broccoli.
about the issues. He was read about experts as well. He can do that.
Gustong gusto ko ito guys. I like this calamansi
Some of the things that
from the Philippines pa to eh.
to feel like they put aside their doubts.
I like that guys.
We see live right now. President Biden has landed in Marietta, Georgia. He's shaking a lot of hands before he gets
This
to
is so good.
his presidential vehicle, and we'll see him in a few hours. But no doubt some final prep and probably a little rest on both parts before they get ready for tonight. I want to take the history dial back here for just a moment and play some of the defining moments that
I think 90 degrees ngayon. Fahrenheit. Fahrenheit man dito guys, hindi degrees.
These are some of the memorable moments of prior
90.
debates. Watch.
I am not going to exploit
I'm not sure, but I think 90.
my opponent's
Right?
youth and
Yeah.
inexperience.
90. So hot outside guys.
Yes, how has the national debt
It's not like what's your philosophy and what's your position on issues, but can you get things done?
I am so lucky because I'm not working in the fields like a farmer. Salute to the farmer, the construction worker,
with the temperament of Donald
working to the road. Very hot guys. My God.
Because you'd be in jail.
Secretary Clinton?
I'm so very lucky because I'm working inside the house. Have aircon.
Robert Wolf, when you look at that and you look back at some of those memorable moments, really, there's only a few that stand out.
I'm lucky
There's so much emphasis on these nights.
because I'm working guys 20 years guys. Imagine mo guys, very hot guys.
Difference in the trajectory of the campaign.
Because I'm working as a machine operator.
Because he got right into
Even I have electric fan guys. Number 3.
right over to him, right? It seemed like
The air from the electric fan so very hot because of the machine is hot running. One operator, one electric fan. My goodness. And the electric fan is running 24 hours. Because two shift 7 to 7 in the daytime, 7 to 7 in the nighttime. So the electric fan is 24-hour running. Usually the air from the electric fan so hot. Very hot.
Winning in referendums in Kansas and Wisconsin, winning elections in Kentucky. And I think the most important thing is, facts matter. We passed the bipartisan infrastructure deal. President Trump could not pass that.
Pretty,
We passed the CHIPS Act. You now have Intel doing a big plant in Arizona. You have Microsoft. Before the plane shortages,
And then guys, I'm so full now.
I said to get the plane, do we have a deal? Let's jump in meetings today. Badge it and don't miss out on the most important moments of your life. Call for a complimentary flight.
Saving on your education should be right, not a competition. A university
Thank you guys. Bye bye. And see you to the next video. God bless you.
qualify for.
Bye.